A lawmaker has questioned the perception of foreigners on the war on drugs of former President Rodrigo Duterte. He also expressed gratitude to Japanese citizens who continue to support the former president. Guy Saito is in Japan for this exclusive report.
A congressman believes that the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte will have difficulty passing in the Senate. However, in the lower house, there is a high possibility that it will be approved.
Sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino na
In an exclusive interview with SMNI News, Sagip Party List Representative Paulo Marcoleta said it is possible to secure 106 votes in the House of Representatives to push for the impeachment of Vice President Sara. However, he said the situation is different in the Philippine Senate.
ibang ball game na yung pag sa Senado. Kasi you need to convict the Vice President with 16 votes. Ewan ko, medyo mahirap. Mahirap nilang makuha siguro yung numero na yon.
The lawmaker also condemned the conduct of impeachment proceedings amid the oil crisis in the Philippines caused by the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. He said the lack of concern for the poor is being felt.
Yung kawalan ng malasakit ng mga leaders natin sa mahihirap, nararamdaman ko yun. Wala silang pakialam. Wala silang pakialam sa natin, sa masang Pilipino.
The Marcos Jr. administration's crisis management was also compared to that of the previous Duterte administration. It was noted that the COVID-19 response during Duterte's time was effective. This included the repatriation of OFWs who were stranded abroad during the pandemic.
Sabi ni PRRD noon, kung kailangan yung mag-hijack ng mga aeroplano, pero na lang yung exaggeration. Pero nakikita mo yung niya, yung damdamin niya para sa mga Pilipino. Kahit humijack kayo ng mga aeroplano dyan, basta makakuha niyo yung mga kababayan natin. Ngayon, airways po natin sarado, ganyan.
Marcoleta also questioned the perception of the international community toward FPRD. He said the label mass murderer given to the former president because of his war on drugs is incorrect. Marcoleta attended the meeting with his father, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, and Japanese UN human rights advocate Shunichi Fujiki. Fujiki earlier spoke at the UN Human Rights Council in Geneva to call on the International Criminal Court to release FPRD.
Nakakatawa dahil yung iba, banyaga na yung nakakapansin, observer na yun nakikita niya may mali. Tapos yung ibang mga kalahi natin, siya pang tumutulig sa ating Pangulo na minahal ng napakaraming milyon-milyong mga Pilipino.
Marcoleta added that strong support from OFWs reflects how many Filipinos view the former president.
At sana napansin ng mga international media, paano itong taong ito na kung paano tinagurian nilang mass murderer ng kalaban, minamahal ng milyon-milyong Pilipino. That's the irony of it all Paano masasabi yun? Paano conflicting naman? Binabrand nila na napakasamang tao, samantalang minamahal ng milyong-milyong mga Pilipino, hindi lang ng mga Pilipino, kundi ng iba't ibang lahi.
The lawmaker also delivered a message to Filipinos in Japan.
Sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino nandito, laban lang. Alam ko masisipag kayo. Nakasama ko ang mga higit kumulang 100 mga OFWs na nandun kagabi. Manatili kayong matatag at kumustahin nyo yung mga kamag-anak dyan sa Pilipinas dahil medyo mahirap na ang pagdadala ng buhay dun sa ating bansa. Kaya gawin natin lahat para mag-survive tayo. Lalo na sa ngayong administrasyon na hindi ko alam kung hinahanap ba nila ang makakabuti sa ating bansa o para sa kanilang sarili lamang. So maging matatag lang po tayo.
Congressman Marcoleta also believes that OFWs from different parts of the world play a significant role in raising awareness about the proposed measures that need action from the House. The Filipino community here in Japan is also active in discussions related to developments in the Philippines. Reporting from Tokyo, this has been Guy Saito, SMNI News, Japan.